Hello, my friends. The podcast where you learn real English slowly, clearly, and confidently. I'm Tom, and in today's episode, I will teach you the best techniques to help you never forget English words again. Yes, never again. We will go step by step. You will hear real examples. You will repeat with me, and you will learn how to remember English words for life. So, get comfortable and let's begin. All right, let's start with a simple truth. If you forget words quickly, it's not because you're lazy. It's because your brain didn't learn the word deeply. Words you only see once are like strangers. You forget them fast. But words you use, hear, and see and connect, those become your friends. So, how do we make new English words our friends? Here are my favorite techniques. Let's talk about one of the most important things you can do when learning a new word. Don't just learn the word alone. Don't just read it one time. Don't just write it on a list. That doesn't help much. You need to put the word into a real sense. A sense that means something to you. You need to use it in the way people actually speak. Make it feel like something you would say in your everyday life. Let me show you how. Let's take the word charge. This means to put electricity or power into your phone or device. Now, don't just repeat charge, charge, charge. That really doesn't help. Instead, try this. Say it with me. I need to charge my phone. Good. Now say, I need to charge my phone before I leave the house. That's even better. One more. I couldn't call you. My phone wasn't charged. Now, try this one. Excuse me, is there a place to charge my phone here? Good. That's how people speak in real life. That's real, living English. Let's try another word. The word is delay. This is used when something happens later than expected. Now, say it with me. There was a delay at the airport. Good. Another one. The train was delayed because of the snow. Good. One more. Sorry for the delay. My meeting ran late. You see, every sentence gives the word a new life. You're not just learning the meaning, you're learning how to use the word. Let's try another one. The word is borrow. Borrow means to take something from someone for a short time and give it back later. Now, say it with me. Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen? Good. Now, this one. I borrowed a book from the library. Great. Try this one. He borrowed my bike and didn't return it. Awesome. Do you see what you're doing? Each sentence is like a story. Your brain doesn't remember borrow, but it will remember asking for a pen, going to the library, someone taking your bike. That's how you learn vocabulary. Now let's do one more word together. The word is messy. Messy means not clean or not organized. Now say this sentence with me. My desk is messy. Great. Another one. Her hair looks messy today. Good. Now try this. The kitchen was messy after the party. Great. Let your brain see the picture. Can you imagine your messy desk? Great. Can you see the dirty kitchen? When you create a picture in your mind, the word stays longer. And here is my little daily challenge for you. Every day, choose just one word, but make 3 full sentences with it. Say those sentences aloud. Use them in your conversations or send them in a text. The more you use the word in real-life sentences, the faster it becomes part of you. Repeat it in the morning. Repeat it in the evening. See it, say it, use it. That's how you own a word. Okay, here is another powerful tip. If you want to remember new English words for a long time, you need to use them quickly. Yeah, quickly. Like within 24 hours. Why? Because if you don't use a new word soon after you learn it, your brain throws it away. It says, oh, I guess this word isn't important. I will forget it. So, remember this simple rule. Use it or lose it. If you learn a new word today, try to use it today. Say it out loud. Write it in your notebook. Send a message to a friend using it. Or speak it into your phone. All right, here is another secret to remembering English words. Don't just learn the word. Make it personal. Connect it to your own life, your memories, your feelings. When a word means something to you, your brain keeps it. Your brain holds on to it. Think of it like this. A word is like a photo. If it's just a photo of a stranger, you forget it. But if it's a photo of your family, you remember it forever. So, let's make your words like your family. Let me show you how. The word is nervous. Nervous. It means feeling worried or afraid, usually before something important. Now, say this sentence with me. I felt nervous before my job interview. Now think, when was the last time you felt nervous? Maybe before a test? Before speaking English? Before meeting someone new? Now, say this sentence with me. I get nervous when I speak in English. That, my friend, is your sentence now. That word belongs to you. One more. He was nervous before the big exam. Make a picture in your mind. Imagine the feeling. Connect it with a real moment. And that's how you remember it. Here is another word. Lonely. lonely. It means feeling sad because you are alone. Now, say this sentence with me. She felt lonely in the new city. She felt lonely in the new city. Now say, I sometimes feel lonely when no one is around. I sometimes feel lonely when no one is around. Is that true for you? If yes, the word is real now. Your brain understands it, not just remembers it. Try one more. He moved away and felt very lonely. Words with emotions are strong. The more you connect a word with your story, the deeper it stays. Use this method every time you learn new vocabulary. Make it about your life. Say what you feel. Imagine the moment. And that's how you build true English memory. Okay, here is one of my favorite techniques for remembering English words. Visualize it. Make a picture in your mind. That means don't just say the word. See the word in your mind. Create a picture. Imagine something real. You may ask, why? Well, because your brain loves pictures. Words plus images would be strong memory. Think about it. You can remember a photo from 5 years ago, but you might forget a sentence from 5 minutes ago. That's the power of visual memory. So, let's turn every word into a little movie in your mind. And now, let me show you how. The word is climb. Climb. To climb means to go up. Now, say this sentence with me. I want to climb that mountain. I want to climb that mountain. Now, stop. Close your eyes. Imagine a mountain. Picture yourself with a backpack, wearing boots. You're walking up the path. Do you see it? Now say it again. We climbed to the top of the hill. Great. The child climbed the tree quickly. You see, you're not just learning the word climb. You are feeling it. You are seeing it. That makes it unforgettable. So, next time you learn a word, ask yourself, what do I see when I hear this word? Can I create a little movie in my head? How can I make this word real? You can even draw it in your notebook, or find a photo online, or act it out with your hands. The more feeling you use, the deeper the word goes into your brain. Okay, here is a big tip, a game changer for vocabulary learning. Don't learn random words. Don't just grab a word from here and another word from there. That's like trying to build a puzzle with pieces from different boxes. It doesn't fit. Instead, learn words that are connected. Words from the same topic. Words from the same story. Why? Because your brain loves categories, loves stories. Your brain loves meaningful groups. When words are connected, you remember all of them better. So, let's do it together. Let's talk about the weather. Say it with me. The word is cloudy. The sky is full of clouds. It's cloudy today. I think it might rain. It's cloudy today. I think it might rain. The next word is breeze. A light, soft wind. There's a nice breeze this morning. There is a nice breeze this morning. The next word is storm. Heavy rain, wind, and thunder. The storm last night was very loud. Now, you have learned 3 words, and they are all about one idea: weather. Now imagine a little story. It was cloudy. Then the breeze stopped. A big storm came. There was lightning and loud thunder. Boom! Now those words are connected in your brain like friends holding hands. They're not alone anymore. So, when you learn a new word, ask yourself, can I group this with similar words? Can I make a story with these words? Can I imagine a scene using all of them? You can create small stories for any topic. In a supermarket, at the airport, inside your bedroom, on a holiday, during a job interview. The stronger the group, the stronger your memory. Remember, words in isolation, words alone are forgettable. Words in stories, words together are memorable. And that's it for today's episode. You didn't just listen, you learned, you practiced, you imagined, and you made real connections. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing words. It's about using them, feeling them, and living with them every day. So keep listening, keep repeating, keep building your English one step at a time. Until next time, keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.